In this video, we will learn how to use Sumx2My2 function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some numbers. I'm using here the Sumx2M2 function. So just enter the is equal to, write the Sumx2, then my2, tab it. Select the first number, comma, select the second number and bracket close. I get here the 16. So how it's get it? So I'm using this formula and show you how it's the calculation. So x and y. The number one is x and number two is a y. So I'm using here is equal to in bracket. Select the first 5. Then use the caret 2 minus select the y caret 2 bracket close 60. And there's a second way is equal to in bracket select the first x means 5, then plus select the y means 3, bracket close, multiple, bracket open, again select the number 1 minus number 2, bracket close and just enter. So that's it. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.